I thought I'd give you a quick update on my bees. I've moved them up behind the barn and built a shed for them. And you can also see I've got an electric fence around there. We have bears in the area, so I have to protect against that. And that's really one of the main reasons I moved them here, was for a source of electricity. But many of you know that I started last year with a top bar hive and a swarm that someone had given me. And the swarm didn't actually have a viable queen, so I bought 2 nukes. And I split those out last year. I was kind of late in the year getting it going, but by the end I had 4 good-sized hives going. One of them didn't make it through the winter, but you can see I've got those 2. The first one, the yellow and red one, and the double orange, they're just going like crazy. And this little yellow one here kind of had a slow start this spring, but it's really picking up steam. And then right next to it is a new nuke that I've made, and then in the back there are 2 more. So I just wanted to kind of show you where I'm starting this spring. I'm glad to have this hut. It's in our area, it gets hot in the evening, or well, in the latter part of the day, and this will kind of help the bees not to be stressed from too much heat. It does get morning sun, so I think this is going to work out really well for me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the update. Thank you for watching.